Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So here I have another unboxing vlog for today. So it's for my Nintendo Switch Lite accessories. So let's start up guys, and let's open it. Okay, so this item over here is a excuse me for my voice. So this is a gamepad hand clip stand mount for Nintendo Switch and Switch Lite. So wireless handle holder. So this is a new Switch Lite accessories, and then let's gonna open it up. So and of course I will put down the link below, so that you will see what is the, so this is it guys. So what is the item all about? So this is the hand clip. So if you want to play hand what is okay if you want to, so if you want to open this up, so you need to loosen this one in here. So okay, this is so hard to release. Okay, here you go. We need to be careful to, what is this called? It's because it is so okay. I need some tools to loosen it up. Okay, so I just need some. It's because it is so hard to loosen this kind of okay, so need to, okay, it's so hard to find some another. Okay, so I need to open this up. It's because this is the only way we can loosen this this one. So okay, there you go, there you have it. So and then let's gonna put this on. And I think the gamepad is not okay. Okay, so at first you have to first put it in here, and then, but okay, it's not work. Okay, don't know how to use this, but if you want to put this on, okay, this one is you have to put the Nintendo Switch in here. So at first, so I'm gonna try another controller. Okay, so it's because it's not work on my Pro controller. So I'm gonna try this one if it is okay. It's not compatible with it, so I'm gonna try also this one if it is gonna fit. So not fit, so it's not fit, so it's it's still not good enough. So okay, and then I'm gonna try another controller if it is gonna work. This one, okay, I'm gonna take it out first, this Nintendo Switch Lite, and then let's gonna put this on. Okay, it's working, but you know, okay, this one is working, so I'm gonna try this one if it is okay. I'm gonna try this first if this is okay. I'm gonna try if this is compatible with the Switch Lite. I don't know. Okay, so I think this controller is not compatible with the Switch. It's not compatible with the Switch Lite system. Okay, and then I think it needs some okay offs. So need to find another way to need to find another way to use this. But if I'm gonna okay, there you go. If I'm doing it reversely, it's not. I'm doing it reversely, it's not. So I think there's some a misunderstanding of the item over here. So this one is, I don't know what is this. Okay, okay, so I'm not gonna open it up. So I think this is good enough, but I will try to find what is this. It's because it is so big and I cannot look at that, and I cannot use it. So as you can see right there, there's some on it, there's some I don't know what is this. There's some loosen on it, so I think I will find another way to put this on. So I'm gonna try another clip on it. Okay, so this is it. So I think I need to find another way to how to deal with it. And sometimes this one is loosened is because I think the Switch Lite is big. So but I think it's worth the buy. So I'm gonna make I'm gonna start troubleshooting, so how to put the gamepad controller and how to put the gamepad controller. Okay, and also it is the same color, turquoise color, everyone. Okay, it's a turquoise, everyone. So I hope you enjoy watching, and and I hope you like it. Okay, so I'm gonna put the link down below so that you will see. I will put down the link below, okay, so that you will see what there's a gamepad on it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. So please don't forget to subscribe, okay.